Breakdance is dope, and today we're doing a flare tutorial. Now, pretty much everyone knows what a flare is. You will have seen it in any breaking videos you've watched. Obviously, the move comes from gymnastics itself, but breakers took it, evolved it into air flares, and I mean, gone from there. There's all sorts of different crazy flares. You see some of the big B-boys doing flares where they're turning around, back leg flares, threading. Today we're just focusing on the basic flare. Eventually I'll bring you a pivot tutorial, which is legs together, but yeah, basic flare today. So if you haven't seen a flare, if you're one of the 0.5% people in the world who have not seen it, then this is your flare. Yeah, so that's your basic flare. So, flare is one of them that will take you a while. If you're close to a flare, this tutorial will probably give you the tips that you need to get that full round. Once you've got one flare, there's nothing stopping you getting 2, 3, or 4, yeah? But if you are totally brand new to learning the flare, it will take you some time to get this move. It's not one of them you're just gonna get after a 5-minute tutorial. I mean, I won't say that, you never know, but it takes time. You've got to get that technique right, your timing right, you need a certain amount of strength, you need a certain amount of flexibility. So what I want you to do is do some of these stretches first. So hits and straddle stretches first. Make sure you're nice and stretched. Make sure you're feeling good. Hit some press-ups and stuff. Just make sure your arms are warmed up. Make sure your body is ready to go. So do them stretches right now for me. Do them workouts right now. If there's anything else that you guys do want to learn, any of the styles, breaking routines, I've got tutorials on moves. I've got different styles like house, light feet, hip hop and stuff. Links in the description for all them playlists so you can learn more stuff. Obviously check them out at the end of the video so you can learn some other stuff. But once you've done your straddle stretches, once you've done your push-ups, let's get straight to the flare. So what we're going to do for the flare, now it's really important that you get all your power moves the same way. So if you have multiple power moves, make sure they're all traveling the same way. So I flare out this way around, my back spin comes that way around, my windmill goes that way around, my head spin goes that way. Everything travels in the same direction, so you can transition one power move to the other. So make sure you're going your flare the right direction. If I'm teaching it the opposite direction to what you need, just reverse everything I'm doing. So if I'm saying step out on left leg, and you need to go the other way, you're going to step it out on your right leg. Yeah? I'll shout all the opposites to what I'm doing, so you can pick up on it. Yeah? So what we're going to do, you're going to top rock across with your left leg. You're going to step that leg out to the side. Now make sure that leg is out to the side and not back, otherwise you're cutting off some of your power. Yeah, so you want out to the side so you get a full half round before you get into that flare. So we'll step left leg across, bring it out to the side, bring your hand down in the middle. Yeah, right in the middle of your body. So I've stepped left across, left out, left hand down. Now that foot is going to kick around the back. Now don't lift it up too high because your hips are going to come too high at first. You won't be able to control it. So kick that leg real close to the floor, even dragging it along the floor. Now once that gets as far as it can, you kick your other leg up. So right leg is going to kick up as that left leg keeps coming through. And your other hand should come down, plant it, don't bend that arm, keep it nice and strong. Yeah, so let's do that again. So you're going to top across with your left, step it out with your left, bring left hand down, left foot is going to kick round, right foot kicks up, and then right hand comes down. From here, you're just going to hop switch. So this foot is going to come down as your other foot comes up. So you're going to hop switch to here. Then all you're going to do from here is this foot has to kick up to give this foot space to come through. So your left foot is going to kick up to give your right foot space to come underneath. Once this right foot has traveled underneath, your left hand is going to come down. So you're going to kick that foot up. Right foot is traveling underneath. Once it's come underneath, left hand comes down, you come back out to the back, and that's your flare done. So let's do that again. So that's just your basics. Obviously that is with it in the air. That's all the steps that you need. I'd advise drilling that about 20 times, just to get that technique into your head. Kicking through, hop through, bring it through, hand down. And that's all a flare is. So again, left foot across, left foot back, left hand down, kick that leg around and back, keep it nice and low. Right leg up, right hand down, hop switch, kick left leg up, bring that right leg under, left arm is coming over, lift them hips at the back, and out you come. Now one big mistake a lot of people make is they bend that landing arm. So once they've kicked through, this landing arm bends. Keep it not locked, because you'll damage your arm, but keep it strong. Another mistake people make is bending their legs or bringing them in. You want your legs as wide as you can for the flare. A full straddle if you're more flexible than me, almost a full split, because this is going to give you more power and it's going to keep you up. Anything you can to keep your hips up. So you want to kick them legs up as high as you can into top corners to keep them hips lifted. One more time, and then we'll give it a go quicker couple. So left across, left out, left hand down, kick left foot around the back, right foot kicks up, right hand down, hop switch. Now bring that left leg up, bring that right leg through, hand down, to the back. Okay, let's try it quick. Now you'll probably get halfway and collapse, that's fine. You just keep drilling after this video, I'll keep rewinding it back and going through these steps. Yeah? So I'll count us in, 5, 6, 7, 8, we'll step across, out, hand down, and just go for it. It's a power move, so don't go half-heartedly into it. You've got to give it 100% if you want to get that move. Yeah? So 5, 6, 7, 8, top, out, flex, and through. Now don't worry if your feet are dragging at first, my feet still drag a bit. All you have to do is kick them legs up a little higher to get them feet under. Let's go 2 more. So 5, 6, 7, 8, top, out, flex. There it is. Let's go one more time, and then I'll put up a slow-mo so you can just see the technique a bit easier. So 5, 6, 7, 8, top, out, flex. Boom. There it is. There's your flex. So I'll put up a slow motion here so you can see the technique of that flare. I'll put it up different directions from in front and behind, just so you can see where your legs and hands are going. If you guys did enjoy that one today, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. As always, hit that bell notification button so you can keep up to date with the uploads. If there's anything that you guys do want to see that I'm not doing, comment down below. Let me know what moves you want me to do next. I'll throw them out to you guys. Apart from that, check out the links in the description. Jump on any of the tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one. Well done.